Dear learners, welcome to this very brief video tutorial on Big Blue Button, which is an online tool for web conferencing. Let's see the learning outcomes. At the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to go to the homepage of Big Blue Button and sign up or login as per the requirement. Schedule a meeting or a lecture in Big Blue Button and use the invitation link, which could be copied and shared with the others so as to enable them to join. So let us see in brief what is Big Blue Button. It's basically an HTML5 based open source web conferencing system. It supports real-time sharing of audio video slides. It's very significant for online learning. So dear learners, let us have a demonstration. So the step 1 for this is you need to go to Google and you will type Big Blue Button. So once you click on Big Blue Button and enter, you will be seeing a list of options. You need to go to the first one, that is the official homepage. So it's a Big Blue Button. When you click on this, you will be taken to the homepage here like this. They have options for teachers, schools, developers, blog. You will click on Try Now. It's free. When you click on Try Now, you will see two options, sign in or sign up. If you're using for the first time and you are logging for the first time and you don't have an account, you need to click on sign up. By the use of your simple Google Gmail account credentials, you will log in and you will create an account. Since I have an account, I will click on sign in. Once I click on sign in, I will be taken to the home page. So this is my home page of a Big Blue Button. You can see. Now we will be seeing more about the features in the coming next tutorial. This is about how to schedule and how to begin with a meeting or a session. So you need to click on this start. When you click on start, it will take few seconds. So depending upon the connectivity, you can see these three dots. So you are getting connected and the system will ask you, how would you like to join, microphone or listen only? So you can select accordingly. And once you log in, you will be seeing three panels. Now the first panel is actually about the number of participants. Right now it's only me. And then you have this option for the chat. So whatever you type, it could be a simple welcome message. So you can type it here and that will be displayed. Right now I need not use it, so I'm just keeping it or I don't want it, so I'm just keeping it back. Then once I click on this is my main window and this is how you can start. You have an option here, it's a blue button. So once you click on this actions, you can start a poll. If you wish, you can begin a poll. It could be a poll questions which can pop up during your session. You can upload a presentation which you need. You can share an external video. So this is how you can start, you can schedule a meeting. We'll go back and I'll show you that if you wish to invite people, so this is that link. When you click on this, so this link will be there and you can copy this link and you can share with the others. And in this way you can schedule and you can use Big Blue Button. So dear learners, thank you for being live and listening to this brief tutorial on the use of Big Blue Button to schedule a lecture or a meeting. We will be seeing more sessions in the coming tutorial and different features. Thank you so much.